SAPC_S4CPR_2508 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In SAP S, for HANA Cloud, how is the KPI contract leakage percentage defined? A. Spend of purchase orders without contract reference despite an existing contract. B. Confirmed spend of purchase orders with contract reference. C. Confirmed quantity of purchase orders with contract reference. D. Quantity of purchase orders without contract reference despite an existing contract. The answer is A. The contract leakage percentage KPI measures the proportion of procurement spend that occurs outside existing supplier contracts. It helps purchasing managers identify missed opportunities for cost savings and compliance improvement by tracking spend not linked to a valid contract reference. In SAP S, for HANA Cloud, which of the following activities are part of the key process flow for scheduling agreements in procurement? I3MR. Note: there are 3 correct answers. A. Maintain quota arrangement. B. Create or change scheduling agreement. C. Monitor down payment process. D. Maintain service entry sheet. E. Maintain delivery schedule. The answer is A. The key process flow for scheduling agreements in procurement, I3MR, includes creating or changing the scheduling agreement, maintaining quota arrangements to determine source allocation, and maintaining delivery schedules to manage material deliveries over time. Monitoring down payments and maintaining service entry sheets are part of other procurement scenarios, not scheduling agreement processes. In the SAP Activate methodology, during which phase do consultants configure business processes based on the results of the Fit to Standard workshops? A. Prepare. B. Explore. C. Realize. D. Deploy. The answer is C. In the Realize phase of the SAP Activate methodology, consultants configure and extend the system according to the business process requirements identified during the Fit to Standard workshops in the Explore phase. This phase focuses on system setup, data migration, testing, and finalizing the solution for deployment. In SAP S, for HANA Cloud, when using the My Situations app, which of the following reasons can an employee select to dismiss a situation message? Note: there are 3 correct answers. A. Invalid. B. Approve. C. Reject. D. Resolved. E. Obsolete. The answer is A. In the My Situations app, users can dismiss situation messages when they are no longer relevant. The available dismissal reasons are invalid, resolved, and obsolete, allowing employees to indicate why the alert no longer requires action. Options like approve and reject apply to workflow approvals, not situation handling. In SAP S, for HANA Cloud, which application allows you to view the available business context capacity remaining for extension items? A. Extensibility Cockpit app. B. Extensibility Inventory app. C. Custom Reusable Elements app. D. Extensibility Explorer app. The answer is A. The Extensibility Cockpit app provides an overview of the current usage and remaining capacity of business contexts for custom fields, logic, and other extensibility items. It helps administrators monitor and manage extensibility limits within the SAP S/4HANA Cloud system. When building an integration scenario using the SAP Fiori communication management apps in SAP S/4HANA Cloud, Public Edition, which of the following must you create? Note: there are two correct answers. A. Communication arrangement. B. Communication interface. C. Communication API. D. Communication system. The answer is AD. To enable integration in SAP S/4HANA Cloud, you must first create a communication system, which defines the external system or endpoint, and a communication arrangement, which links a communication scenario to that system. These configurations manage secure data exchange between SAP S/4HANA Cloud and external applications. If a customer wants to develop a custom application and integrate it with SAP S/4HANA Cloud, Public Edition, which tools would you recommend for developing the app? Note: there are two correct answers. A. SAP Business Application Studio. B. SAP Build. C. SAP HANA Cloud. D. SAP Cloud Portal Service. The answer is AB. SAP Business Application Studio provides a professional development environment for building extensions and custom applications using SAP's programming models and APIs. SAP Build enables low-code, no-code app creation for business users to design, automate, and integrate applications quickly. Together, these tools support both developer-driven and business-driven innovation on the SAP Business Technology Platform, BTP. In the supplier consignment, 2LG, process of SAP S/4HANA Cloud, what is a key characteristic of consignment? A. A supplier stores your material in its premises but has no liability on the consignment stock. B. A supplier provides you with material with agreed periods that is stored in its premises. C. A supplier provides you with material that is stored on your premises but is still the property of the supplier. D. A supplier provides you with material with agreed periods and you have the liability of the consignment stock. The answer is C. In the supplier consignment, 2LG, process, the supplier delivers materials that are physically stored at the customer's site but remain the property of the supplier until the customer withdraws them for use. This allows better inventory availability while delaying ownership transfer and payment until consumption occurs. Which of the following items are typically captured in a completed digital discovery assessment in SAP S/4HANA Cloud? Note: there are two correct answers. A. Target customer go-live date. B. SAP Fiori application extensions. C. Business role requirements. D. Known integration requirements. The answer is CD. A digital discovery assessment identifies business process requirements, including business roles and integration needs, to guide system configuration and planning. Items like the target go-live date or Fiori extensions are outside its scope. They are determined later during project planning or the realization phase. In SAP S/4HANA Cloud, Public Edition, you want to automatically notify purchasers when an RFQ is approaching its quotation deadline but only a low number of supplier quotations have been received. How can this be achieved most easily? A. By using the situation template in the Situation Handling Standard Framework. B. By defining a workflow using flexible workflows. C. By developing an application using APIs to send notifications. D. By creating new RFQs and sending emails. The answer is A. The Situation Handling Framework in SAP S/4HANA Cloud enables proactive notifications for business events, such as low quotation responses for an RFQ. Using a standard situation template, the system automatically monitors conditions and informs responsible users without custom development or workflow setup.